Welcome to Mystery Side Hustle. Today's question is, what does a mystery shopper do? Simply put, you are going to sign up with a company that has been hired by an actual retail location as Walmart, CVS, Foot Locker, anything you can think of, Gucci, to actually have people go into their retail locations or contact a retailer on the phone or even browse the website to observe how it is operating, to observe how the store is running, if the employees are actually wearing the appropriate attire, if their floors are clean, if the bathrooms, if it's a restaurant, are also clean, how the food tastes, if it's a restaurant. You are essentially a reporter. You're going to go into these locations and you're going to gather up all the information they are requesting of you from a shop form you must fill out once you are done. Once you complete that, you're going to send that over to your scheduler and they're going to report that back to the head of the company. So your job is essentially to help the business understand what is happening in their locations or on their website or whatever they're actually needing a person like you and I to go in there, see what's happening, and report back honestly.